What if I told you that one single exercise, no weights, no machines, no fancy gym, could reshape your body, strengthen your core, improve your posture, and even boost your mind, all in just 1 month? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Before we dive into how it works, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you look at fitness forever. Let's talk about the plank, the most deceptively simple move in all of exercise. You've probably seen it before. Someone holding their body straight, elbows down, abs tight, not moving an inch. Looks easy, but try it for 30 seconds, and suddenly you're shaking like a leaf, sweating, and realizing that stillness can be brutal. Yet here's the secret. If you do planks every single day for 1 month, your body will transform from the inside out. At first, it doesn't feel like much. You drop down, elbows on the floor, tighten your core, and hold. 5 seconds in, you feel fine. 15 seconds, your abs begin to burn. 30 seconds, your arms start to tremble. At the 1 minute mark, your mind is screaming to stop. That's the beginning, not just of physical strength, but of mental endurance. Because the plank doesn't just train your muscles. It trains your focus, your willpower, and your ability to stay calm under pressure. By the end of the first week, the results start small but powerful. You'll notice your posture improving without even trying. You stand taller, your lower back feels supported, and your stomach starts to feel tighter. That's because the plank works your deep stabilizer muscles, the ones that crunches and sit-ups often miss. These muscles protect your spine and make everything from walking to lifting smoother and safer. By week 2, you begin to feel it, your body responding. Your abs feel firmer, your shoulders more defined, and your balance improves dramatically. You might notice something surprising. Your clothes fit a little differently. That's because planking doesn't just build muscle, it engages your entire midsection, helping burn calories even when you're not moving. It's a small move with a huge metabolic effect. Your arms, chest, and legs start to tone up too, because the plank is a full-body exercise. Every muscle from your neck to your calves is working to keep you still. It's not just a core workout, it's a total strength builder disguised as stillness. And every day you hold that position, you're teaching your muscles endurance, real-world strength that helps in everything you do. By the 3rd week, your transformation goes beyond the mirror. You feel stronger, lighter, and more in control of your body. You may even notice fewer aches in your lower back, because a strong core supports your entire frame. That nagging pain when you sit too long, it starts to fade. Your movements become more graceful and efficient, and your workouts feel easier because your foundation, your core, has become rock solid. Mentally, something changes too. You no longer see the plank as torture, you see it as a test of focus. That 1 or 2 minutes becomes your challenge zone, a daily reminder that strength isn't built in comfort, but in stillness. Each time you hold longer, you build confidence, resilience, and discipline. By week 4, the results are undeniable. Your stomach looks tighter, your arms are toned, your back feels stronger, and your posture is completely different. Even your breathing changes. You're more aware, more centered, more grounded. You start realizing the plank isn't just shaping your body, it's shaping your mind. People often underestimate what a single exercise can do, but planking daily transforms your physiology in subtle but powerful ways. It strengthens your transverse abdominis, the deep abdominal muscle responsible for stability and a flatter stomach. It activates your glutes and legs, giving your entire body balance. It improves circulation, boosts your metabolism, and helps reduce the risk of injury in other exercises. But here's what most people miss. Consistency is the real magic. The plank's power doesn't come from how long you can hold it once. It comes from doing it every single day. 30 seconds today, 40 tomorrow, a minute next week. The progress sneaks up on you. You start to feel unstoppable, not because you suddenly got stronger overnight, but because you refuse to quit. And when those 30 days finally come to an end, you'll realize something profound. This was never just about exercise. It wasn't just about abs or strength or burning calories. It was about control. You learned how to silence that voice in your head that says, "I can't." You learned how to stay calm when everything inside you wanted to quit. You learned that strength isn't built through movement. It's built through resistance, through the moments you refuse to give up. This wasn't just a fitness challenge, it was a mental transformation. Because every second you held that plank, shaking and sweating, your body was changing. But your mind was evolving even faster. You were teaching yourself patience, resilience, and focus. You were building a kind of strength that goes far beyond muscles. The strength to stay grounded when life feels unstable. The strength to endure when everything else says stop. So, what actually happens to your body when you plank every single day for a month? Your abs begin to carve out definition. Your spine gets the support it's been craving. Your back grows stronger, holding you upright with power and confidence. Your shoulders and arms tighten, your legs firm up, and your posture, the very way you carry yourself, transforms. Your metabolism wakes up, burning more calories even while you rest. And your endurance, both physical and mental, climbs to a whole new level. But that's just the outside. Inside, your body adapts in incredible ways. Your core muscles, especially your transverse abdominis, begin to function like a natural corset, protecting your spine and improving your balance. Your digestion improves as your abdominal pressure becomes more controlled. Even your breathing changes, becoming deeper and more deliberate. It's as if your body starts working as one cohesive unit, strong, stable, and efficient. And maybe the most surprising part? The plank doesn't just change your body, it changes the way you think. It teaches you that consistency beats intensity, that you don't need hours in a gym to transform, you just need commitment. Because when you hold that position, still, focused, unshaken, you're not just building muscle, you're building mindset. By the end of those 30 days, you won't just look different. You'll feel different. You'll move with confidence. You'll sit taller. You'll notice that everyday tasks feel easier, that your body feels lighter, more capable, more alive. You'll look in the mirror and realize that this one simple exercise has become a symbol of everything you've accomplished and everything you're capable of. And here's the beauty of it. You don't need a gym membership, expensive gear, or even much time. Just you, a flat surface, and 1 minute of focus. No excuses, no shortcuts, just a daily promise to yourself to hold on a little longer than yesterday. Because every second you spend in that plank is an investment, one that pays off in strength, confidence, and control. So what's stopping you? Drop down, plant your elbows, engage your core, and hold. 1 minute a day can transform your body, but 1 month can transform your entire mindset. Subscribe now for more powerful fitness stories like this, because sometimes the smallest daily habits create the biggest lifelong transformations.